How can children help their parents at home?
Children can contribute to household chores and responsibilities to help their parents at home. Simple tasks such as cleaning their rooms, setting the table, doing the dishes, or taking care of younger siblings can alleviate some of the burdens on their parents. Additionally, children can assist with grocery shopping, gardening, or other age-appropriate tasks that contribute to the overall maintenance of the household.
Should children be taught to help others?
Yes, it is essential to teach children the value of helping others. By instilling a sense of empathy and compassion from an early age, children learn the importance of supporting those in need and contributing positively to their communities. Teaching children to help others fosters their personal growth, social skills, and moral development, creating a foundation for them to become caring and responsible individuals.
What makes children help each other at school?
Several factors can encourage children to help each other at school. A nurturing and inclusive school environment that promotes cooperation and teamwork creates a sense of community among students. When children feel valued and respected by their peers, they are more likely to offer help and support to one another. Additionally, positive role modeling by teachers and emphasizing the value of collaboration and kindness can inspire children to assist their classmates.
Should students do community service? Why?
Yes, students should engage in community service as it offers numerous benefits. Community service allows students to develop a sense of social responsibility and empathy towards others. It exposes them to different social issues and provides opportunities to actively contribute to the betterment of their communities. Through community service, students also acquire valuable skills such as teamwork, leadership, and problem solving, which are essential for their personal and professional growth.
Do students in your country do volunteer work?
Yes, volunteer work is encouraged and widely practiced among students in my country. Schools often organize community service programs or partnerships with local organizations to provide students with opportunities to engage in volunteer activities. Students participate in initiatives such as environmental cleanups, charity fundraisers, tutoring programs, and supporting marginalized groups. The emphasis on volunteerism instills a sense of civic responsibility and nurtures a spirit of giving back to society.
Why do some people do volunteer work all over the world?
People engage in volunteer work all over the world for various reasons. Some individuals are driven by a genuine desire to make a positive impact and help those less fortunate. They find fulfillment in giving their time and skills to support communities in need. Others may volunteer to gain new experiences, broaden their horizons, or learn about different cultures. Volunteer work also provides an opportunity for personal growth, self-reflection, and building meaningful connections with people from diverse backgrounds. Overall, the motivations for volunteer work are rooted in a shared commitment to creating a more inclusive, compassionate, and equitable world.